Friends, today we're going to see how to make peanut cookie. This peanut cookie is just melt in your mouth. It's only you need a few ingredients. Look at this, friend. It's so good and so delicious. This cookie is original from my family recipe. Only we need to have a few ingredients that available at your pantry. And no time you can have this delicious cookie and so good, and we can give this as a festival delicacy to everybody. It's simple, delicious. Look at it, friend. It's so flaky, sweet and very creamy. To make this peanut cookie, all you need a all-purpose flour, half cup powdered sugar, 1/3 cup peanut butter, half cup peanut powder, that roasted peanut I just blended, this one, little kosher, and then corn oil, friends, about 2 to 3 tablespoons corn oil. A simple ingredient is always available at your home. We have the powdered sugar, so this recipe we need a powdered sugar. Do not use the kosher sugar, it's going to give a different texture. And I'm just adding that powdered peanut that I blended earlier, and now I'm adding that peanut butter. So if you don't have peanut butter, you always replace with the powdered peanut the same amount, and you always need to add a remaining to that get the nice texture with the corn oil. So I just add the flour and I mix nicely with the breadcrumb texture. Now I'm adding the corn oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So it's depend, friends, it's depend that how much the oil can release by that the powdered peanut. So it's depend, that's why I just put about 2 to 3 tablespoons. In your recipe, when you mix, you might need that 2 tablespoons. For my recipe, I really use about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So friend, whoever not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe to get the daily recipe. So the dough is ready, so we can make a different shape, it's your wish. So today I'm going to make like a nice round shape, and we're going to make like a small disc, friend. So it's about half inches over the thickness. So just make it around, and then we're going to press it down a little bit like a disc. So it's ready. On other way, we can use the bottle cap, and I just roll it on one parchment paper, and then I'm just cut it this cookie with the bottle lid. So either way you can make it nice shape. It's more organized, it get the same size of a cookie. And I just have the milk, I'm just coat it and then brush it on the top, so we can decorate with some roasted peanut. So the milk really can make the peanut the decoration stick with the cookies after you bake. So friend, I'm going to show you another method. If you don't have an oven, we always can bake this cookie or cake by using the stove top. So in the pan, it's like heavy bottom pan, I just add the salt, and then you can place one tray, and then you can bake this cookie in the medium flame about 20 minutes, friend. So this is ready. You can see the cookie is ready. It's so good. You can see it's a nice brown in the bottom, and you start cracking. This is the oven. The oven, you always need to have a 320 Fahrenheit, and bake about 10 minutes, friend. Now it's ready, completely ready. It's all about reaction. We don't have baking soda in this recipe. It's simple, delicious. It just melt in your mouth. The sugar and the peanut have a nice fatty amount that really give nice flaky texture to this cookie. It's simply delicious. It's totally vegan recipe. All you can make for your friends and family, and it's simply delicious that you made at home, always special. So friend, I made this cookie for this festival of the light. Please check out my recipe collection for this year. Happy Diwali to you and your family. And before that, please do like, share, comment, and click that bell button to get the notification every day. Thank you.